Tesla is teasing us. We closed at 345.98, down $3.62, 1% down, post-market down by 31 cents. Let's look at what's happening today. A couple of days ago, we pushed higher than 346.69. So we are inching above, slowly inching above. Before it was 335.73 that would make the stock come down. It was not too long ago 346.79. And now we are just above. We closed at 345.98, 346.69. So we are 70 cents just below 346.69. We are still above the 21-day moving average. We are still trending up. We are still above the bullish channel support. This is the bullish channel support. This is the bullish channel. So overall, we are going higher. In terms of indicators, everything is all good. Stochastic is at 83. Custom DMI. Our DMI is good. Our reversal indicator is also bullish. We are still going higher. Overall, we are still going higher. What we are seeing here is normal fluctuations. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart right here. Yeah, on the first hour of the day, things were not looking good. Boom, we came back down. Big red candle. Right smack on this 1 hour chart, bullish channel support. This is a different bullish channel right here. Second hour, we had a follow through, but look at this right here, 339.45. 339.45, we are holding. We used to cave into that number not too long ago in August, and now we have been using it as support. So this is the first time that we are using it as support after having broken it. So, this is a good sign. An entry right here at 339.45 is really nice because we are bouncing on support. At the same time, we don't have stochastic over 60 back, so this move up should not be believed. This is the rule. If you have stochastic over 60 for a stock, you know that this is going higher. Stochastic over 60, what happened right here? Boom, we went higher. Stochastic over 60, I can look at everywhere. If you only have to use one indicator, use this one. This is one of the best indicators that you can use. So right now, stochastic is not over 60. And on this last hour right here, the last candle, we are caving into 346.69. This is the current rate of descent that we are having on Tesla. But we still have bounce on 339.45. This is an important support right here. So I would advise that if we go lower than 339.45, maybe this is a sell on the 1 hour chart because things would be going lower. On the daily chart, as I said yesterday or this morning, I would use 335.73 if you want to find a tight stop loss. With the overall trend, Tesla could go down to 326.34 without breaking a sweat, and it would still be into this bullish channel. So this is why it's really important. This is a personal decision, but it is really important for you to determine what kind of drawback you are willing to suffer. Some people don't like to suffer many drawbacks. They can play on the 1 hour chart and play it a little bit tighter, or you can play it on the daily chart and have a longer drawback either at 335 as I said or 326. But in terms of indicators on the daily chart, everything is still super good. Even if we go on the weekly chart, in terms of momentum, the momentum is bullish. We have our reversal indicator that's bullish. We have DMI. We have stochastic over 60. So we are into a bullish move. So the bullish move started at 295 and now we are at 345. So, it's not nothing. 295 to 345. But what is frustrating a little bit, and this is happening to many other stocks in the stock market, we are basically going sideways. So this is the congestion zone that we have. We have not broken above 372 this year. We have done it last on the 27th of January. So we were above 322 here on the 27th, and now we are having a hard time getting back above it. We tried on May 27th and failed. And now we are looking like we want to try again. We need to try 360.65 first, of course. And also because we tried it in June. In June, we stopped not at 372. We stopped at 360.65. Now, This is why I'm talking about these two numbers, because these are historic numbers. They come from history. I don't pull them out of my hat. This is history. 372, 360, and here we stopped at 355. So I'm not making this up. This is a pattern. If we look, this is data, this is information, this is what we do on this channel. We are looking at the past, and we are looking at zones where things are reversing. They come and we don't know if it will reverse. So this is what we are looking at, reversal. And when we find an area where a stock used to reverse, no longer reverse, this is when we get in. This is when we get in. So 372 is going to be super important, because when we are going to break, this is going to go for a while. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. So VIX fantastic. VIX is at 1444, down 0.4. This is a very low VIX. This is fantastic. What's happening with Dow Jones? Dow Jones, remember, it had a hard time breaking 45,210, 45, boom, we had the break. We had a little bit of retest, and then we are continuing higher. This is a break of pattern right here. This is a buy signal on Dow Jones. S&P 500, this one is a little bit harder, because this one is hugging a bullish channel resistance like right here. It keeps going higher and higher very slowly. Except recently, we have been making a little bit of a top at 64.81 right here. This top has started August 13, and this is the corresponding congestion zone. It was just going sideways, and now today, boom, it's breaking that top. So this is good news that we are advancing. The flip side of it is that we are still very close to our bullish channel resistance. So we are not breaking this diagonal resistance, we are following it. It's not too bad to follow it, because the price is still going higher and higher, but it's going higher at a very slow pace. So this is what we are having right now in the stock market. We are having very slow moves. Yes, you can find stocks that are just going, that's fine. But as a whole, this is the S&P 500 stocks. So we see them, they are moving just slowly and slowly. They need something, they need a catalyst, they need a reason to go. And that reason, we had part of that reason last Friday when Powell was open to lowering the rates. When this is going to happen, it's September. This is going to be, I assume, a big move. So we should be able at that time, and if we do it before, I don't mind. But at that time, we should be able to break this bullish channel resistance. It's still going higher. This is why it's bullish. It's a bullish channel. This is the support side of the channel. So we are on the resistance side of the channel, hugging it, zigzagging, almost always above the 21-day moving average. This is another good indicator. Stochastic is good. Moving average is good. This is showing you what is happening, filtering out the noise. You know, the noise, it's moving up and down. This is the noise. So with Powell lowering the rates, I am hoping that we are going to start breaking this bullish channel resistance so that we start going higher faster. Right now things are not moving that much. And also Trump is not helping. Trump is not helping because sometimes he has an idea of a tariff, and then the markets are all like, oh boy, what is going to happen to the economy? There is uncertainty. So Trump is for sure not helping, and the interest rates that are pretty high are for sure not helping either. So as soon as we get stability in either one of these two scenarios, the tariffs, I think Trump is moving in a different direction. That would be great. Let's just wait until September to see what is going to happen with the rates. Nasdaq, okay, this is good too. Nasdaq, we used to stop at 23,595. Yes, we did a little bit of a stint above, but it was a temporary stint. Yeah, I can draw it. I can draw it because this is the all-time high at 23,964. But today, look at this, we see it. Boom, we have a break above something that we tried to break in July. So this is great to see this here. Russell, the small caps are doing good. If you want to put some of your money in small caps, This is a justification right here. So we have broken above 23.25. We are retesting it a little bit and we are continuing, just like Dow Jones. This is textbook. Boom, break, we retest and we go above. We don't always retest. When it's slow, we are retesting. When it's fast, we don't retest. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. So yeah, a little bit worse than yesterday, a little bit more red than yesterday. In terms of economic data, here we had some numbers today. GDP growth rate quarter over quarter, 3.3%, up from 3% forecasted. So the economy is doing good. Is this going to scare Powell in thinking that inflation might be coming back? Let's hope not. And tomorrow we are going to get the core PCE price index, personal income, personal spending. This is going to be interesting information that might be affecting the markets tomorrow. Let's take a look at our favorite cryptos. So Bitcoin, I've been telling you, we have broken lower than 111,940. 111,940. The same patterns happen all the time. Cannot break it, and we didn't even try much. Cannot break it, didn't even try much. Cannot break it and really tried. Boom, succeeded. Bounced on it a couple of days. Bounced on it one more day. Then boom, we broke below it and now we are trying to show that we want to succeed. But so far, there's no success. Look at this. Look at this. This candle right here closed right smack on our resistance now. Second day, opened higher, closed lower. Today, closed just a little bit higher. So, you know, this is not really convincing. And look at this perfection right here. The high of the day, right smack and right in alignment with these candles. Cannot make this up, guys. Cannot make this up. The lines were there before the candles appeared. Not all candles, but this one. And in this case, we don't have stochastic over 60. Stochastic is under 60 right here. So when stochastic is under 60, it's really hard to believe any move up. You know, this move up right here, no stochastic, didn't succeed. This move up, no stochastic, so far it's not succeeding. Bitcoin is trending down. It has been trending down and we need to look at the time span. It has been trending down since August 13th. If we take into consideration since May, yeah, since May it's up. Since July, it's been going sideways. And since mid-August, well, this is a fact, it has been trending down. So we are going to keep on watching and we are going to tell you on this channel when things are going to go back above 111,940. This is the number to remember. Ethereum, this one is looking better because this is the bullish channel. So Ethereum is still into its bullish channel. It's weakening a little bit. We tried not too long ago to break 48.57 right here. Since then, we have just been coming down. We still have stochastic over 60, except today we are losing it. So this is a little bit of a concern because when we lose stochastic, as I said, nothing can really move up without stochastic over 60. So let's hope that it's temporary. And at the same time, we are into a congestion zone. And the high value is 48.57 and the low value is 4,091. So we are going sideways. We have been going sideways since August 9th. This is a little bit of a concern. If somebody wants to take some profit, it's not a bad time to take some profit. But if we break 48.57, then this is going to be a nice buy opportunity. This is going to be a breakout and this is going to give us some buying opportunity. Of course, you can buy at any point in time. You can buy on support. So buying on support is fine. Each time we are touching support, you can buy. And one day you will buy on support and it will break. This can happen, but this can happen also. Yeah, this is not the best day for Tesla at 345.98. Just a little bit shy of our 346.69. Let's see what is going to happen tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.